right, Brian and I are going for a walk, and we're walking through everything we need to do to prep for redoing our hallway this weekend.
So we need to wash the walls a little bit and the trim a lot. Then we need to fill in any holes.
Yes.
Sand.
Yes.
We need to caulk areas where there's a separation between the baseboard and the wall.
Caulk.
Meredith, stop. We need to like tape everything off. I think that we should get some like paper to go over the floors. Then a similar but kind of separate project almost is the doors. Figuring out what to do with the doors.
Here's all the cute stuff that has already been done. I made a Pinterest. I made a Pinterest with ideas for what the hallway could look like. I also picked out paint swatches. I got 2 paint samples. We're going with like a cute green. Okay, let's talk really quick about our doors in our hallway. When we looked at the house, the 2 upstairs bedroom doors, Brian's office and the guest bed, had these big like stickers on them that covered the whole door to make it look like, ooh, this is a doorway to a rainforest. And then Brian's was like, oh, this is a bookcase. When we moved in, the stickers were still on the doors and we're like, okay, I guess we'll just pull them off ourselves. But when we pulled them off, what was underneath the stickers was so much worse. Years of little kid stickers and glitter on one of the doors. On Brian's door, some teenagers like band stickers.
But a teenager who was a teenager in like 2001.
That means this door's looked like this for 20 years.
It's looked like it because the people who lived here right before us had a big sticker covering the whole door.
It's just so funny that he was like, veto push. And now it just lives on this door forever. I also like this that just says, this is obviously from like a gumball machine in like a mall. And it just says Rockstar.
We kind of went back and forth. Brian wanted to just get all new doors, but I think it would be a fun project and a little more sustainable to reuse the doors that we have. That'll be a fun project.
For you to do.
Yeah, for mostly me to do. Maybe get a little bit of help from Brian. But mostly me, but maybe a little bit of help from Brian. All right, y'all, so it all starts down here. Imagine this. You're looking this way. We have our blue arch, but back there will be probably this color. We got this. There was a baby gate here and they kind of patched it up, but they left a couple holes. We patched up the rest. But yeah, we moved in and found that there. It's been a little bit of an eyesore. We got this beautiful stained glass situation. Really, really nice. We also got this rug runner on the stairs. Let's see how the green looks with that. Also really nice. These walls are strange. There's this really weird effect where up here, this blue looks like a totally different color than the blue down there. It looks like almost purple up here. I don't know if you can really tell on the camera. Nasty door number 1. And then we got our hallway. Then we got nasty door number 2. This bad boy is gonna go here. Then we have these collections of paintings here by Brian's friend who lives in Traverse City. Those are gonna go up there. Boom.
Scored this great part to being like,
So
wait,
the one in casting approval.
yeah, wait, what? He's only, you know.
All right, so I'm getting ready to apply this backling drywall patch repair. I'm gonna spray this onto these holes where banister are connected to the stairwell. We need to patch these up, or at least that's what we're hoping to do. So this spray is really only like a layer that is meant to kind of keep the dusty, crumbly material of the plaster on there, and then I'm gonna spackle it with something else as well. Wow, that is totally not what I thought it was gonna do.
So we picked this weekend to work on this because we're looking at our calendars, we're like, we have no plans, we're freaking free. Of course, now like random stuff has been popping up. Got texts from our friends from New York being like, we're in town. A text from Dan Strauss. Now it's 3:19 and we still haven't finished prepping upstairs. And then we gotta go get the paint mixed and ready so that tomorrow morning I can pick up Jamie Burns and come back and we can have our paint party and everything will be ready.
This is one of our favorite parts of the house. It's this window in our stairwell here that has this really nice stained glass in it normally. So there's like an outer window and then there's this stained glass window that sits inside of it. In between the gap there was a bunch of dirt and cobwebs and stuff, and it's something probably only I noticed. I can like look in the window and you can see all these cobwebs.
No, I noticed. It's gross.
Yeah, it was gross. Since we're redoing this whole area, I thought it would be a good time to take the stained glass window out and clean it out. And so I've done all that. And now I'm trying to figure out how to put it back in.
Also, the stained glass window is apparently imported from Italy. Nice work, Brian. Oh, look how clean and nice it is now.
Yeah, that looks a lot better.
Brian already started. Oh my god, it's looking so pretty. I did an AMA on Instagram and I got a cute question. Somebody wants to know what our favorite things about each other are. Isn't that cute?
My favorite thing about Jamie is she is always down for a laugh.
Yeah, always down to be so silly and yes, they have a really stupid, silly joke. But then also like have a really nice heart-to-heart talk. And she's the person who introduced me to Great British Bake Off. And then also singing with Jamie. She's the most musically adept. What's it mean when you're really good at it? Is it adept?
I pray to God you cut all this out.
Yeah, are you putting this whole thing on there?
She's the most adept musician I've ever seen.
You know what I'm trying to say.
My favorite thing about Brian is that he is somebody who
Can take a moment that is like a little bit silly and he can blow it up to make it the silliest moment of our lives. So my favorite thing with Brian is when I know I'm being dumb and I make a dumb bad joke and I'll say it with a twinkle in my eye, hoping that he makes fun of me for it or takes it to the next level, and then I can really laugh and pee my pants.
Brian is one of the funniest people I know. I can be a hard sell when it comes to what I find funny. My favorite moments with Brian is when he tells a joke and he does a little smirk and he thinks no one heard him, and then I look at him and I'm like, I heard everything.
And he's a wonderful friend and a wonderful family member.
And he's an advocate for people. He takes care of people. He fights for what he loves.
Yeah.
Meredith's the best around. She's one of the best friends. She's a best friend to so many people. It kind of actually pisses me off a lot because I am supposed to be like the most special person in your life, being your husband. A lot of people feel that way about you as well. You're too well liked. That's my big problem with you. We're doing problems. We're doing problems we have with people.
Meredith has the most amazing ability to bring everyone together. She has introduced so many people to each other and created such a beautiful community.
Can I say one more nice thing about Meredith?
Yeah.
She's got a great fucking ass.
Actually, can I be honest? I was looking at her ass and I was thinking, she's got a nice ass. Yeah.
Someone just asked what's the hardest we've ever laughed, and I was trying to think of something when we were all together where I was, because sometimes when I laugh too hard I pee my pants. It was when Jade was over and we were playing, what was it called? Faircroft's. Yeah. Faircroft's Antiques, and she tried to point at the TV with her foot, but like broke her toe. Wow, almost done. We're leaving these spots because this filler Brian put in hasn't dried fully yet, so. It's so beautiful.
Shit, I will shit on my own fucking face. We did it.
Oh my god, it's a beautiful, beautiful corner now.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Wow, it does, it's like dramatic.
These are just words. She cannot trouble me.
I ordered these dried flowers from Etsy, and I got some colors that go really well with the green upstairs and with some of the art we have. So I'm gonna arrange them in here. You do. I got that on camera.
Take your time.
Just a couple of these little bad boys. They look
I'll be
cute. Imagine this going right there. I just got back from the dentist, which, by the way, first ever fucking cavity.
Yeah.
Anyway, look at all this work my husband has done.
Possibility of waiting to get married until I
Painting
finish
trim. Okay, Brian and I are little Zelda heads. All we don't want to do right now is play fucking Zelda, but
All we want to do is fuck Zelda? Whoa.
we have to earn our Zelda playing tonight by putting the wardrobe back and maybe taking the doors off the hinges. Look at him, he's so mad. He just wants to be playing Zelda so bad. Oh, but look at this nasty, nasty little door. Once we get it off its hinges, we can go back to Hyrule, Brian. Come on. I am trying. It doesn't seem like it, but I am.
I really do good.
I really do good.
That's about as close as it can get because it's sitting there. Alright. God, it feels weird having this here now.
I know. Feels good. This sexy bitch is gonna show us how to take a door off the hinges.
Yeah, we're gonna need to take that again because your language is unacceptable.
Wow, you just took that right out?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. I blinked and I missed it. Wow. Wow, Brian, wow, you did it! Time to try and return this room back to normal, just without a door.
I don't care, I got something that they need to see.
One of the best features of this house is this laundry chute. How nice is that? Goes right down to the basement, right by the laundry. Put our stuff in there at the end of the day. Oh, feels so good. Okay, so Brian read about this cool trick that doesn't involve any harsh ass chemicals for removing stickers from things like doors. All it involves is soaking rags in vinegar and then laying the rags on the stickers and leaving them there for a couple hours and then coming back and they're supposed to scrape off like really easy. So I'm gonna get some rags going. Don't sticker up the door. My toes. Do your worst. Whoops. Gonna leave this here for couple hours. Then I'll flip the door, do the same on the other side. Let's see how well it works. Not too shabby.
Not too shabby, no.
You have so many stickers on your door. You're gonna have a field day.
I thought you were doing both doors.
I can do your door. I can do your door. I love you. We flipped it over, did the same on the other side. Anything I didn't get off, I think I'll be able to get off with the electric sander that we're gonna borrow from my friend Chris from work. Got a lot of work to do. We gotta get Brian's door next. So freaking cute. Good morning. My door is de-stickered and ready to be sanded. I got the sander from my friend from work. We gotta get Brian's door off, de-sticker it, and then we'll be ready to sand both. Then we're gonna put them back on the hinges and then paint them. So after the doors are back on, then I feel like I can do the most fun part, which is hanging all the art. I have a lot of the art picked out, but I wanted to make 2 pieces. I figured since we have kind of like this northern Michigan theme of the end of the hallway, because we're gonna be hanging a bunch of art from Brian's friend Kristin, I would make some wood burnings of places that are meaningful to us from northern Michigan. So this is Chateau Chantal, a winery that Brian worked at, and it's got these beautiful views. And then for me, it's the Frankfurt Lighthouse. I'm just drawing with pencil. I'm gonna wood burn them, I'll stain them, and then that way I'll be ready to hang art as soon as we're done. This is cute. Brian got his door off.
Yep.
Goodbye stickers. Oh, with your backwards hat, it looks like you want these stickers.
Fuck! It smells so bad for some reason. Sweat from the decades or something is coming out.
Door's looking good.
These were hard. They did not come off easy. Get on 4. I'm gonna turn it up. Meredith has asked me to vlog this moment, but she didn't know that I haven't taken a shower yet today. Or she didn't care. We're sanding the door. This is a sander that Meredith's coworker lent us. And we're trying to figure out if this is working. This door has all sorts of stickers and writing on it, and we're trying to get it off, but the stickers leave such a residue that to paint over it would be silly. And like the sander isn't even really taking all the residue off. We've soaked all these stickers with vinegar rags, tried to get the stickers off as best we can, and now I'm sanding it, and I don't know. I don't even know if I'm using the sander right. I think I gotta YouTube some stuff.
Yeah, no big deal. I do this all the time.
Finally, all the writing is coming off of this door.
Okay, I'm just staining these. This is Brian's winery. And then this is the lighthouse. The lighthouse did not turn out very good. This wood is really tough. The grains were really tough for wood burning, so ended up pretty lumpy, but that's okay. I'm gonna keep staining it. Hopefully that'll make it look okay. All right, now that we're so close to getting the doors back on, I'm starting to arrange the art. Okay, so this ultra hand, imagine, is gonna go up here. Underneath it will be a little red table. On top of the little red table will be this, and then this will be above it. What do we think? I'm texting Arilla frantically because I need her here. I wish she lived in my house. Then that bad boy is gonna go here, and this bad boy is gonna go there. Look at this tiny framed picture of Joey and Lauren. I'm gonna give it to them next time I see them, but I was going through some of our wedding photos to find things for these frames. They were in the background of one of our photos, and I was like, that's too funny. By the way, this rug was just a cheap $40 rug I got off of Amazon. I know, drag me. It's just so hard to find affordable rugs right now, and I just didn't have the time or patience, so I just did it. I'm sorry. We're pretty much done. We're just doing one final sanding along the edges. We're gonna install, go on a bike ride, come home, and I will paint.
While I mow the lawn.
Yeah. This door is reinstalled. Brian's about to reinstall this one, and then I'll paint these when we get back from our bike ride tonight. All right, cuties, this is it. Gonna paint these nasty doors.
There's some nonsense that don't say how I feel for you. You're the type of girl who needs a different kind.
Okay, I'm gonna stop filming because I really want to listen to my audiobook while I do this. But it's looking so much better. This is the nastiest door. I did the worst one first. I mean, it's a real door now. All done. Got some normal ass looking doors. Brian helped me as well. And we ordered pizza. But we didn't stop to eat it when it arrived. It's been sitting down there waiting till we were done so we can now treat ourselves. We're gonna eat pizza and watch the series finale of Succession. Oh my god! Time for the best, most fun moment of this hallway. The moment we've all been waiting for. It's time to decorate with the art. What do I need? What do I need? I need hammers. I need nails. I need the thing that tells you if it's crooked. I might need a little measuring tape. Okay, let me go get these things. Guess what I just ran around looking for, and guess what was right here the whole fucking time? Toolbox. Brian's working on the door.
That's that.
All right, Nuna, let's see. Feels great, Brian. You did a great job. Hello, beauty. Hello, beauty.
She never wants me to go away. Something always reminds me of her.
All right, for a split second there, I was gonna ditch Katie and put her in Brian's office, but actually we need both things on this side to balance out because it was feeling too far that way. It needs to go more this way. Now we have it. I've never seen anything so pretty.
Wow, so beautiful. Oh my god. I can't believe you got all these doors done.
This had stickers all over it.
I know.
This one has stickers all over it.
Oh my god.
And this is your mom!
This is really nice. That's your mom right there. Are these the ones you got at Michael's?
Yes, the little frame.
I'm loving it.
I love the way the paint on the wall really brings this
Hey.
painting out.
I got that from this
Perfect.
And I love this.
I like this one
Yeah,
wall.
you know it, Jade.
You know I love this.
Love their